Hi everyone, Caroline here. So, in the last 4 weeks, I have been noticing something really interesting. Something has changed. My meditations are no longer working. The rituals that I have in place are no longer working. All the processes that I have in place to help my life flow smoother, to help me get in touch with my higher self, to help my life get organized in the way that it needs to be organized and not working. You know what I mean? I'm struggling to get myself in that space where I'm used to being comfortable in knowing that I'm being guided. For example, if you're like me, it could be that space where you wake up in the morning, you align yourself fully, you're fully integrated, you know the most upgraded version of yourself is ready to face the day, your higher self is ready to go, and you are just basically ready. But I have been noticing, like in the last 4 weeks, something has been happening. I can't even concentrate. I can't even get myself together to even do a simple meditation. The meditation processes that used to come so simply to me are a real struggle. I can't even focus on even just calling in the light as I used to call in the light before. It used to be such an easy process, almost automatic, you know what I mean? But then done consciously. But now it's just a struggle. I can't even put the words together. I feel that every time I'm trying to concentrate on doing this, everything is coming in so choppy. Like there's almost this stop. This is no longer the way. This is no longer the way. This is no longer the way. This is no longer you, Caroline. You are not to do this kind of thing. It's almost like I am now being redirected to stop these kinds of meditative processes and to stop this kind of ritualistic things because something new is happening. And it's so confusing. You know what I mean? Because I'm almost hearing this thing about you are ready, Caroline. You are ready. But ready for what? Ready for what? I'm really struggling to kind of, come from this point where I used to consciously beef myself up with these meditative processes to now having to just align and accept that I am this embodied being and I'm supposed to be operating in this power. This is the new way. None of these external processes are going to be supporting us. You know what I mean? I'm beginning to understand that that whole conversation of talk about the meditation process and about embodiment is not going to be a talk situation because now I am beginning to notice that I am being called to start moving in this beingness that I am, in this embodiment that I am. And I'm telling you, the way my life is falling apart right now in so many ways, the way I'm having so many problems hitting me from so many directions, I'm just like, how am I going to be able to cope with all these things without calling in the light, without my reinforcement, so to speak? How am I going to be able to move forward as an embodied being? This is like new grounds. Of course, yeah. You know, those days we talk about embodiment, you're moving in embodiment, but at least I could feel the support of my higher self in me. I could feel the support of the light energy in me. But now I'm hearing that you are ready now. And I am sensing that that process of meditation and that process of daily calling in the light moment by moment is just something that is not working anymore. Now I have to move through this world, as tricky as it is, as me. This is the thing that I am noticing. Is anyone else realizing this whole thing? I know we talk about this thing all the time. I know it. Okay. What I'm asking is, are you noticing that your meditation processes, the ways of calling in the light, are no longer working and there's a requirement to now start operating as us? Like we really truly have to carry this light forward and move in this world and just start accepting that we are these powerful beings moving in this world, no matter how crappy it seems on the outer level. This is just something that I'm beginning to see as a great challenge that I must rise to, especially in this time. You know what I mean? This ability to stand in my light and to move forward and trust in everything that has happened and that I have been putting inside myself to remember who I am as a powerful being and to use that trust and that belief to move forward. This is the task that I'm feeling that is coming up ahead. Is anyone else noticing this thing? And man, what is wrong with this world? The world is just like going nuts. I can't even believe it. And this is the reason why I have been feeling like, well, okay, the meditation processes are over, and now it is Caroline time. In this timeline, in this life, in this now, right now, we are ready. Are you noticing anything like this? The old energies are truly crumbling within and without. The old tools that we used to use are truly ending. As within, so without. The old ways of spiritual awakening, at least for those of us who started waking up earlier, are truly, truly over. It's a new day, and we must embrace these new changes. We cannot stick with the old. It's not even going to work. So, what are you guys doing about it? Well, how are you guys coping? This is what I want to know. So, please share with me in the comment section. I love you guys, and let's get ready because something new is happening and we are not going to be caught off guard. I love you guys, and until next time, mwah, bye.